Danke bafethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoNjabulo Blom, iplayer laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but akusiyo iplayer le-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba uku-loan from i-team yaku-MLS yabo. So uBlom wakhulela ku-Kaizer Chiefs vele kuma-development structure wakhona, sambona laphana ku-DDC, kwathi in 2019 bampromota to i-first team yabo. Ku-first team-ke wenza kahle kakhulu, bedlala nakuBafana Bafana ngasikhathi adlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Waye America kula dlale khona different positions, bekadominate ngempela up until izinto vele zamchinja laphana, kusho ukuthi ama-changes kuleya coach yakhe nama-injuries afew yiwo vela wamstopa laphana ukuthi uNjabulo Blom angakwazi ngempela ukudlala kahle kakhulu laphana e-America yabo. But-ke i-career yakhe it was promising ngempela, isikhathi sakhe laphana e-America besisihle kakhulu, just before nje zidisturbwa nje ezinye izinto ezifana nama-injury, nanokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs imsayinileko uBlom yabo. uBlom ebuya ku-Kaizer Chiefs it was expected ukuthi vele uBlom uzodlala kahle kakhulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but izinto azifani njengabefore yabo. Akusaselo Blom lo i-Kaizer Chiefs yamhambisa to i-team yaku-MLS. I think ama-major contributing factor would be that uBlom isalary yakhe yalapha e-America i-543,000 ngenyanga yabo. Ngenyanga nje uhola imali enkulu kakhulu, and uKaizer Chiefs wayengaholi ngisho ne-100,000 before ahamba, because bamthatha kuma-development angisho ku-DDC bebasamkhulisa. I remember there was a time like Kaizer Chiefs negotiator naye bezama ukumrenewela i-contract, but wayiphikisa yena ne-agent yakhe. Agent lakhe lize likhuluma kuma-news outlets like kuma-digital platforms ukuthi imali Kaizer Chiefs e-offerayo incane compared to i-value ye-player. But uBlom wahlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs baze bamthengisela i-team yaku-MLS. Ubuyile Kaizer Chiefs njengoba bengishilo ukuthi it was expected ukuthi enze kangcono, but izinto azimhambeli kahle laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Siyambona Kaizer Chiefs akadlali laphana full time, udlala ama-match afuli, ungena laphana second half, usedlala ama-match ayi-20 this season, but lawo ma-match layo contribution yakhe azange ibe that much yabona. Bayamzama, sibonile nangegame eSkhukhune United akakadlali kahle uBlom laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Asazi ukuthi yini major contributing factor, but akusasa lo Blom lo before. Is it maybe lapha e-America ukuthi une-contract enkulu, uhola imali e-serious manje compared to le mali beyayihola la e-South Africa? Manje akasenayo ihanga desire ukuthi alwele i-team njengabefore, so kuyimali nanokuthi seka-rich phela. Ngithi i-America njengoba hola u-500 and something thousand ngenyanga, waba nabo signing on fee mhlampe ba-million something yabo. So maybe akasasele player leli Kaizer Chiefs lampromoter from i-youth development ukuthi eze kuphi ku-senior team. Manje ubhuti o-serious onemali yabo. Mawubheka i-squad se-Kaizer Chiefs sonke maybe uyi-top, one of the top earners ngoba phela yena ubuya le America. Shuthi asazi ukuthi i-contract yakhe between ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs embhadalayo or ile team yakhe or Kaizer Chiefs embhadala certain percentage, asazi ukuthi kanjani, but umholo wakhe nje 543,000 njengoba kwakhishwa e-America-ke, njengoba imiholo yabo vele iyakhishwa kuma-public platforms yabo, ukuthi i-transparency ikhona, and then kuyaziwa nje ukuthi lonke iplayer edlala kulea league leli lahola malini. uBlom ulimazwa ukuthi senemali eningi na, ihanga yakhe ayisafani njengabefore, because last lo muntu adlala i-Kaizer Chiefs bekalwa ngempela, bombona ukuthi u-hungry, but since abuyile that hunger sekuyi-different player, sekuBlom o-different, or ukuthi u-Kaizer Chiefs uthola i-system e-different, uthola u-coach onama-ideas like anga-align to indlela yakhe yokudlala. Yini inkinga kaBlom? Danko bafethu.